everyone for your cooperation with me. I hope you all enjoyed the except board table topics round. And thank you so much for counting on me in this round. Until next time, thank you so much.
MOC.
Yeah, thank you so much, Topic Master, Master Speaker Niti. So let us go to have some fun. So I would like to call Jokes Master. Today's joke master is someone. Joke master is someone who is always ready to take any role, and also she guides everyone during the meeting. So help me welcoming today's joke master, Master Speaker Archana. Over to you.
Thank you, Master Speaker Sanvi. Now, shall I start?
Yeah, you can.
There is one person, he is talking with his neighbor. So, I have four sons. First son, degree in economics. Second son, MBA. Third son, PhD. And fourth son is thief. Neighbor was asking, why cannot you throw the fourth son out of your house? Father, he is the only one earning money. The rest are unemployed. And the second one, if you are lonely, dim all lights and put on a horror movie. After a while, it would not feel like you are alone in any way. So never let your friends feel lonely. Disturb them always, at all the time. Behind every successful teacher, in school, behind every successful man, there is a woman. What we learn from this? Students say we should stop watching timing. We should stop wasting time in studies and find a woman behind us. One person lose his credit card and he did not complain to police because the thief was spending less money than his wife. Thank you. Over to you, Sanvi. Master Speaker Sanvi.
Thank you, Master Speaker Archana. So let us go to the puzzle master. So today's puzzle master is someone who is very cute, very smart, and wearing white color t-shirt, white color top. So help me welcoming today's puzzle master, Master Speaker Akshita. Over to you.
Thank you, Master Speaker Sami, for your generous introduction. So I request everyone to please raise your hand so we can ask everyone. So my first question is, a man who was outside in the rain without an umbrella or hat didn't get a single hair on his head. Wait, why? Yes, Master Vikram.
Yeah, he was bald.
Yeah, correct. Okay, next question. What can you keep after
Sorry,
giving someone?
I am sorry, I didn't understand the answer.
He was bald, man.
Like me.
Okay.
I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. What I am? I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. What am I? Yes, must be touched.
Barmer.
Yes, correct. You see a boat filled with people, yet there isn't a single person on board. How is it possible? You see a boat filled with people, yet there isn't a single person on board. How is that possible? Only one? Yes, must be Rachana.
It's a photo.
No, wrong answer.
You repeat
Okay, I
the
okay, I will tell the answer. All the people on the boat are married. Hmm. What month of the year has 28 days?
February. Master Speaker Archana, could you wrap it up? The time is this.
What? Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Puzzle Master. Thank you, Akshita. So let us move to GK Master. So today's GK Master is someone who have joined the club recently and wearing black color T-shirt. So help me welcoming today's GK Master, Master Speaker Vikram. Over to you.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. And today I'm the GK Master. So let me start some general knowledge for you. Did you know dragonflies are one of the fastest insects that can fly for up to 50 to 60 miles per hour? And Earth is the only planet that's not named after a god, if you get it right now. A cat's tail contains nearly 10% of all the bones in its body. Doesn't look like? Hearing is the fastest human sense a person can recognize. A sound in as little as 0.05 seconds. The hummingbird and other some of the birds are the only birds which cannot walk and they always have to fly. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump. And that's it now. Hello.
Thank you, Master Speaker Vikram. So let us hear a story. So today's story master is someone who have joined the club recently with his brother. So help me welcoming today's story master, Master Speaker Rubesh. Over to you.
He's not there. Skip this.
So so let us move to the last segment of the meeting, that is evaluation. Evaluation is everywhere. Without evaluation, there's no room for improvement. I would like to call the meeting evaluator, Master Speaker Muthuraj, to give his report. Over to you.
Thank you very much, Master Speaker Sanvi, for this wonderful meeting which went so far from the beginning till now. Well, before I start my feedback, I would like to request the speech evaluator to give her feedback. Today's feedback master is someone who is the sergeant at arms besides a feedback master as well. Help me in welcoming today's feedback master who is going to give the first speech feedback, Master Speaker Palak.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, all. My name is Master Speaker Palak and I am playing the role of feedback master. So, Master Speaker Anu, speech title was The Mobile and Internet. And she spoke really good. And she asked the first question that how many people use WhatsApp and YouTube regularly. That was really nice. And the area of improvement is that you should stay in front of the light. Means your face will be clear and your expression will be also clear. By all the side, you were really good. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Master Speaker Palak. Well, before I go ahead with the next role or next feedback, I would like to give feedback to the feedback master. Giving feedback is not at all an easy task. It needs a lot of experience, a lot of knowledge about how to make sentences properly, how to give a feedback which that does not hurt the others. And now in this time, especially a young student who is going to give a feedback to a woman who is already a working woman, and definitely she has that fear within her, but she was able to make it to the best of her ability. Thank you very much. Wonderful job done, Master Speaker Palak. Another feedback that I would like to give, the area of improvement can be the time to give feedback is 1 to 2 minutes. You can expand still more. You can explain it to the better of your ability, and you can still go on giving your feedback until you see the green card minimum. Make notes, something very important. I know at least 3 points which are really good and 1 or 2 area of improvement, and again close with 1 or 2 points that you liked. It will take the time which is minimum required. Okay, good job done. Thank you very much. Well, now with this, I'd like to start the meeting feedback from the beginning. As you all know, we started the meeting very late. We were supposed to start exactly at 6:15, and we started the meeting very late, that may be about 10 minutes late. And I think we really apologize the guests who are here today. We were supposed to start exactly at 6:15. 6 o'clock, the meeting room opens. We had 15 minutes to the networking session, and after which we were supposed to start the meeting. And I'd like to tell one thing for already those who are here, the role players. There are hardly 1 or 2 role players who they don't even see their WhatsApp group and stating that they are very, very busy with examination, homework, program was there at house. Please don't give such reasons. I can see you people online on WhatsApp, Instagram, everywhere, but this does not suit. We are here to learn even leadership as well. Leadership is not an easy task. If you are not able to be a part of the meeting, you have to make sure the role is played by another role player, another master speaker. You yourself have to manage that so that the role is being played. This cannot be told, and if the point system comes, definitely you will get minus marks for this, -5, something of that sort. So please make sure whenever you take up the responsibility and you're not able to play the role, you need to make sure that somebody else is in your place to make or perform this role. Well, started with the role player, that is Sergeant at Arms. Sergeant at Arms Palak was there. She was in the meeting with many roles, multiple roles she was playing today. That was really good. Thank you very much. She has been the Sergeant at Arms for the meetings many a time. She loves this role and she was here. Now, one good thing, how can we improve? How can we improvise it? How can we make it better? The moment when we start the meeting, you are the first person to start the meeting before even the president. You're the first person to come on the screen before even the president. And whenever this video is uploaded on the YouTube also, you are the first person to start the meeting. We need to try better and better way every time. Maybe you can start the meeting with claps. Maybe you can start your meeting with high pitch. Good evening, master speakers and guests. My name is Palak, and I am the Sergeant at Arms for this wonderful club called Me For You Master Speakers Club. Something like this, with a high note, and then come, so that you can grab the attention of all the members who are there in the meeting. That is really very important. Good. Next, we went on for the Master of Ceremony. Master of Ceremony was really very, very interactive. She had been asking the information what was required. She also asked me a couple of times about the speaking master and her introduction. Definitely this shows the engagement. She was busy, definitely in one or the other work, but she was able to make it, and she took at the last minute, said, "Sir, I can do it." Good job. I loved your commitment. Keep the goal rolling on. Definitely we all are here to learn. Now, one area of improvement can be, we just know that when is your turn. After who spoke that you are going to speak, if you just can understand quickly, you can improvise it and then you can perform it again. So to make this as a good habit, I would suggest you to take the role again and again so that you can be confident. Definitely Master of Ceremony role is really very crucial role. You get a chance in your schools also to run some of the programs. You know, you are always on the stage. If there is a program or maybe send off program of your seniors, if you take Master of Ceremony, if there are 100 photos, take it from me, if there are 100 photos, minimum 50 photos will be yours. Minimum 50 photos will be yours. That is so important. I love this role more than any other roles. So you have to be very active and you have to maintain the role necessarily in time. Okay, good job done. Next it was me as meeting evaluator. I took up the role and introduced other role players. As it was my role that I had to manage to get the replacement of other roles well before the timing. So it took a bit extra time. From next meeting, if I am the meeting evaluator, I'll try to manage to make sure that all my team members are well within 6:15. It is my responsibility. I need to make sure that within 6:15, all the role players will be there. Afterwards, grammar master. Grammar master, we could count on him that he explained his role and it was neat and clean with examples. That was great. Thank you very much. One suggestion would be you can be faster while speaking. You took a bit extra time to explain your role, which was more than 1 minute. Each role explanation should complete in 1 minute. Each role explanation should complete in 1 minute. Okay, good job. Well, next going to the timing master. Timing master is into multiple roles today. She was able to make, and it has become a very good practice for her because she did it a couple of times in the last few weeks or few meetings. And whenever it was required, she interrupted and said that your time is done. Please wind it up. Okay. So what we can still do is to make it better. Whenever they finish their time, you can hold that red. Just hold the red, just like that. Don't take the red off. You can just hold the red like this forever until they stop. So that Zoom master, whoever is there, he will keep it on the screen for a long time until they stop. That can be one good practice. Okay, when they cross their time, keep the red always on like this. Okay, that can be very good practice. Good job done. Thank you very much. Now I request all my team members to quickly give their reports one by one. Start with our timing master.
Mastika Anu took less than 5 minutes.
Okay.
And feedback master took less than 1 minute. And puzzle master took extra time, which was 2 minutes 48 seconds.
Okay, 2 minutes 48 seconds. Well, I want to ask one thing, that how much time did guest Anu take exactly? Because it is 4 to 6 minutes of a speech. 4 to 6 minutes of a speech. How much time did she take?
4 minutes 21 seconds.
Okay, good. You see, one thing I would like to tell, whenever the speech is there, whenever the feedback is there, it is 30 seconds extra or 30 seconds less also is considered as qualified. For example, 4 to 6 minutes of a speech, if somebody finishes at 3 minutes 31 seconds also is qualified to the next level, or 6 minutes 28 seconds 29 seconds also is qualified, something like that. So who is not qualified for the
Feedback
role?
master.
Feedback master, how much time did she take?
41 seconds.
41 seconds. Next.
Puzzle master.
How much time did she take?
2 minutes 48 seconds.
2 minutes
48 seconds.
48 seconds. Okay, dear friends, time is really very important. Now when you overshoot your timing, so puzzle, then feedback. Okay, when you overshoot your timing, your name won't be there in the voting. Your name won't be there in the voting. So I request you all to keep your timing up, play your role properly in time. If you overshoot the timing or take the less timing, you will not get a chance in while voting. Okay, so if your voting is not there, definitely you will not get the awards. Okay, good. So now let me hear from filler master. Filler counter, I request you to give your feedback.
Sir. Sairaj said a 3, repeat 4, but 4 and 2.
Master Speaker Kirtana said a 1. Master Speaker Anu said 6 a. 1 repeat and 6. Master Speaker Niti said a 3 repeat 4. Guest Preetam said and 6. Master Speaker Suprita said 8 a 6 repeat. Master Speaker Archana said 4 a repeat 2. This is my report.
Thank you very much, Master Speaker Raghavendra Vaid. Now, a small request to timing master. Well, giving report also will be maximum 1 to 1 minute 30 seconds. 1 to 1 minute 30 seconds. And when somebody reaches 1 minute, directly you show yellow card. And when they reach 1 minute 15 seconds, you show red card. Within 15 seconds, they have to close their report. If they still keep going on, they will not be eligible for voting later. So I request next the grammar master to come on the stage and give the feedback.
Thank you, Master Speaker Mr. Sir. So friends, I come back now to give your reports. The grammar master report is number 1, listening master, Master Speaker Kirtana. No grammar mistakes, very good. And Master Speaker Anu says that, good evening, Master Speaker, solemn guest. She had to tell that good evening, fellow Master Speakers and guest. Yes, do not use one of the word of the day. Then is Master Speaker Niti. No grammar mistake, but used 2 number of word of the day. Excellent. Master Speaker Vikram says that I score very much. He had to say I score very good. Master Speaker Raghavendra says that Samadhati is a very good place. He has to say that Samadhati is a very beautiful place, and also he has to say my mother and father lived in Samadhati. You have to say my parents living in Samadhati. He has guest Preeta. He says no grammar mistake she has. Today, best fluent speaker who is used the big amount of number of the word of the day. There are 2 winners. Number 1, first winner and second winner. The first winner of Fluent Speaker Award goes to Master Speaker Mutra Sir. Next, the second Fluent Speaker Award goes to Master Speaker Niti, who has used the maximum amount of the filler word. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Master Speaker Sairaj. Master Speaker Sairaj, were you able to see the screen or not? Were you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Did you see the red color which was being shown by Master Speaker Kirtana?
Sir, I am not seeing the face of or the screen of Master Speaker Kirtana. I am only seeing the face of Master you, sir.
No, I think there is a problem that which you have done. I have already done spotlight of all 4 members. Okay, of all 4 members. You should be able to see all the 4 members. Just now, as mentioned, overshooting the time can cause you by not getting the points or polls. Okay, you need to always keep an eye on the time master. All right, so let's go to the next role player, that is listening master. I request the listening master to take the podium back to the control.
Thank you, Mutra sir. So my first question is, what are the names of 2 boys that speaking master told in a speech? Please raise your hand. before.
Repeat your question.
I know the answer. Hello.
What was the names of two boys that speaking master told in a speech?
I know the answer.
Yes, yes.
Sorry.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, go ahead.
The names were Harshit and Rohit.
Yeah, it is true. It is right. What did guest Pritam got? Topic. Which topic did guest Pritam got? Which topic did guest Pritam got? Yes, Master Speaker Sairaj.
Guest Pritam get the topic. How do you love your brother, little brother or sister?
Yeah, it is correct. Who told success is not getting money? Yes, Master Speaker Niti.
It is Master Speaker Archana.
No, it is guest Supriya. Wrong answer. What was the second question asked
No,
by?
I didn't tell anything about the time or money.
Success. Success is not
Okay.
getting money.
Sorry for that. Sorry.
What was the second question asked by Puzzle Master?
Okay, we'll wind up.
I stay every day, but my beard changed. That was the question. Thank you. Over to you, Mr. Sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Master Speaker Kirtana. That was really good. Well, now we are done with all our roles. This is the time to share this is the time to share or to raise the poll. Definitely as of now, I'll stop the recording here and we can make the pollings. Okay. Thank you very much.